pronounced iha, or a lot of times just pronounced blended in with them becomes e. So you don't always hear that as a separate ending. Okay. Shoemaker or cobbler, Gracie.
Gracie.
Hair, what do you call it? Oh, those
Stylist.
are stylist, right? Grugera. Gruig is hair. So Grugera is hairstylist. Fisherman or fisher person. Iskara comes from Isk is fish. Monk is monach. Mechanic mechnor. Teacher moonshore. Pilot pilota. Plumber plumer. Pharmacist, or in Ireland called chemist, pitiger. King is Ri. That one's hard to read. Computer, huh?
Plural for king is
Riha.
how do you spell?
R-I-T-H-E. And computer programmer, Riv Clarifjor. And it comes from Rivera is a computer, Rivera, so it's a good term to know. Clar is a program, like it's also the program of something that's going to be going on.
Oh, yeah.
Clari is to program something, so you get Riv, Riv Clarifior is a computer programmer. Okay? A lot of times when you stick two words together in Irish, you'll unite the second part of the word that goes together when you can. So Riv Clarifior. Okay. Secretary, Rooney. And it comes to the word run, which means secret, same as we have secret and secretary in English. Priest, Sugart. Soldier, Saijur. Shopkeeper, Shupador. And carpenter, Shunier. Okay. Okay.
Not for my profession.
Okay.
What's this?
Housewife, homemaker.
Yeah, Farchi or Ban T. What you usually hear is Far and Chi is the.
That's the banshee.
Well, actually, it's the different. Okay, so like particularly when you go to Ireland, this is the people you deal with when you stay at a bed and breakfast. Is Far and Chi or Ban and Chi. So it's man of the house, woman of the house.
So more of a professional.
Yeah.
But they're cleaners?
No. This would be the people who, if you go in a place where you're staying, it's the person who's taking care of it. But you would say it's ban team.
A nice way of saying unemployed.
It's not.
No. If they have bed and breakfast, that's their living.
Yeah.
I guarantee I work harder than anyone in this room.
It wasn't meant as an insult, sorry. No, you're right, it's true.
And I never get to retire.
Yeah.
So woman of the house.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now banshee is different.
My husband
No,
can't
it's
afford
making
it.
Banshee, or you'll see banshee that way. Is when you hear the word banshee comes from.
Doesn't that just mean female fairy?
Yeah.
Doesn't it mean woman of the mound or the hill?
She.
I think maybe it's an older derivation, maybe from she might come from that or something. But
Okay, what is this bench here? In this context?
that's your banshee, the one that screams.
Just
Right.
the Irish spelling.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Okay, let's go ahead and play bingo. Yeah.
You're all legally married,
Right.
and the others are still contracts.
You just don't talk about it if you do, right? Okay. Gora macha gib galeras chachta nocht agus san navawaya agus feki meshib galer and chachtan shahugan agus mas fejeliv chacht hig ar jachs Saturn be kosher again. So, and if you come to our house Saturday, we will have a party. So.
Okay, Shanti, I am confused.